So next thing you need to do is connect your bank account to Xero. You're going to want to do this to pull in all your bank transactions in real time, and it makes things much easier to keep on top of. So you can do this by either heading to dashboard or heading to accounting and then bank accounts. If you've not already set up a bank account, you will get this box on the dashboard. You can just click add an account. From here, what you're going to do is search for your bank account. So if you bank with Starling, for example, search for Starling and click Starling Bank here. There are multiple other ones. For example, you could link your Stripe account, you could link your Tide account, or most of the high street banks in the UK. So let's click on Starling. What you're then going to do is enter a name for each bank account and select an account type. So when it's speaking about an account name, it's just an internal reference. So if you have a current account that you're using for your day-to-day business, I would probably enter a current account. If you have a savings account that you use for your tax, building up a bit of a pot of cash for your tax bill, you can call this your tax account, whatever makes sense for you. So enter your sort code. You don't need to put in hyphens, they automatically show. Then pop in your account number. And generally, if you're on a standard or starter package with Xero, you'll only be able to select GBP. But if you do have the premium subscription, you can select other currencies if that bank account is a different currency. If you do have multiple bank accounts, now is the time to add them. So click add another bank, pop in the name, select a type, and then sort code and account number again. Just click remove if you've accidentally clicked that button. So click continue once you've added in all your bank details. You'll then be prompted to log into your online bank. Some banks actually do this slightly differently now, where you actually have to log into the bank directly, not through Xero, and then set up an integration to Xero. What I'd recommend is popping onto this article here, which I've linked below, just to walk through the steps. What you will have to do though is link which bank account relates to which details you just popped in and click continue. You will be prompted at one point in a screen similar to this to select a date that you want to start importing your transactions from. So if you're not brand new into business and you have been trading for a little while, click this little blue box where it will say today and backdate that as far as you can. If you can take it to the very start of opening that account, go for that. If not, I'd recommend going back to the first date of your current financial year. So if your year ends 31st of December, I'd suggest taking the transactions in from 1st of January. Click finish, and that will be all you need to do.